have a beautiful curation at Beige Gallery for 3 days. आज से स्टार्ट हो चुका है. And guess what we have? Of course, चनिया चोलीज हमने बहुत ही pretty पहनी हुई है. Something very simple. If you want traditional and if you want a mix of both. उसी के साथ साथ we have some very pretty jewelry. Look at that. These are all different kind of jewelries that we have. फिर we also have 50% off on festive wear. उसका एक अलग ही सेक्शन है. तो ये सारी चीजें आपको देखने के लिए आना पड़ेगा बेज गैलरी में. And yes, anything else, ladies? Please come and visit us. So hi, my brand name is Zen Sparrow. We have curated this show for 3 days. हमारे पास ज्वेलरी और चनिया चोली है. So we have blouses. This kind of blouses we have કાપડા. આમાં sizes options નહીં મળે. આમાં જે size છે this is very traditional.
Yes.
And बहुत જૂનું કામના છે.
Yes.
See this. આ હાથથી બનાયેલા હોય એટલે sizes option નથી મળતા. Then we have some vintage option, handwork options. See this. આમાં customization થઈ જશે.
Okay.
આમાં બી customize થઈ જશે. We have some long blouses. See this. We have all the good options. See this. It's my favorite blouse. We do customize in this. See this.
Very good.
Yes. So hi, we have the range of many dupattas like this. Vintage. जो मैं पहले से टाइप ना कच्ची.
Yes.
With handwork. We have all the good colors, traditional colors. We try to give touch of all the traditional. Yes. This is the rust color. Very trend. Let me show you my favorite dupatta. This is the with patchwork. We have simple dupatta as well. See the color.
Nice. ये पूरा
Yes.
simple है.
Yes.
So heavy चनिया हो, simple अगर दुपट्टा चाहिए, we have that.
Yes, we have some laria option as well. Laria is very trendy. We have some bandhani option as well, ajrak option as well.
Yes.
All the bandhani colors. We have some cotton dupatta as well.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Devanshi. This is my brand Inara. So today we are at Beige Gallery presenting Jadau based work. We have bangles, we have loose bracelets, we have bracelets in silver. Then we have
Kadas.
single kadas, sets in Victorian and Jadau. We also have earrings in fusion German silver, rings,
Yes.
then kadas like
Like
these,
Judas.
judas.
These are piles.
Yes.
Okay. And we have longer necklaces, choker style. Look at that. And we have her also wearing one of the sets. Very pretty. Look at the ring. Very pretty colors. Judas. Very pretty. And we have something simple, nice.
Judah and bangles like
Hi, my brand name is Zen Sparrow. So we have 50% off in this clothing. Yes. See this. This is the
Nice.
cord set, pure cotton. We have some more cord set. We have some festive wear, wedding wear as well. Any small function to gathering. So in this full rack we have 50%.
50% off.
This is brand called Offbeat Soul. Starting off with some unisex t-shirts. Starting price is 799. आपको इस पे sizes मिल जाएंगे. We have color options. Look at that.
Okay. These are nice fabric t-shirts. Everyday wear के लिए. Look at this one. Nice. Then we have men's shirt options जो आप party wear की shirts हो सकती हैं. Look at this. Something in brown. Colors भी मिल जाएंगे इसमें. Nice. This is like a crushed fabric. Black with little bit of detailing. इसमें एक और color option है in green. Check these out. These are in green. And then we have last one.
इट्स अ शाह एक्सक्लूसिव. ये सारे सिल्वर के विद द सेमी प्रेशियस स्टोन के साथ सेट्स है. सम ऑफ द विथ इयरिंग्स, सम ऑफ विदाउट इयरिंग्स.
Okay.
ये सारे ब्रास के ऊपर सिल्वर कोटिंग है. ड्यूअल टोन है, सिंगल टोन है.
Look at these. These are all long neck pieces. और इसको
Long.
fusion में बनाया हुआ है. Different stones भी use किए हुए हैं. Different motifs है. जैसे
All
ये
are the
कुछ-
one of the kinds.
Yes.
No one is repeated.
Okay. We have choker style also, something very pretty. Then we have only earrings. किसी को अगर ज़्यादा neck pieces नहीं पसंद हो, we have in brass.
Brass with the silver coating. Ear cuffs है.
झुमकास हैं. These are ear cuffs. ऐसे stones के साथ है. Look, these ones also.
This one is the kathis. You can wear it with the fusions and anywhere. Western पे भी आप पहन सकते हो. नवरात्रि ड्रेस के साथ सिंगल और दो.
So we have so many blouses. We have some sleeveless blouses options. We have in Kutchi vintage. We have simple. We have halter neck. We have this sleeve also. Back is so smart. See this. Again, we try to give some traditional touch. See this. This. See, this is my favorite blouse. See this mirror.
Pretty.
Yes. See this. We have some all the unique options. We have some that color के जे बद्दा चनिया जोड़े जाए. We have this lagdi patta blouse. It's very trendy nowadays. So let me show you some pairs. See this. It's the chaniya. 10 meter flat. This is the blouse.
Beautiful. Very
Yes.
pretty.
અમે તમે અલગથી બ્લાઉઝ ચણિયા બી લઈ શકો છો. આ તો જસ્ટ ફોર ધ આઈડિયા.
Yes.
અમે લોકો રીતના સેટ કર્યું છે. See this.
Nice.
This is the back. We have some this color as well. It's in cotton. મારા બધા ચણિયા મોસ્ટલી 12 to 13 મીટર્સના ફ્લેરના છે. We have this all the colors. See the color. We have some shaded options. We have the gaji option. We have the whole the range of white, black,
Cottons में.
cottons. We have some 3 layer chaniya option as well. It's a 28 meter.
Flare.
Yes. We have plain chaniyas as well.